started without me?
I couldn't resist. It's been delayed 3 times.
No!
Oh! Michael Douglas! Oh. I'm so tired. I feel like Dean Cain's acting career. Oh my lord.
Achoo! 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 Stop! Sneezing!
Fisher's in the bathroom!
Achoo! 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 Oh.
Oh. Oh man. I just had the weirdest dream. Oh. Me and Scott Baio are dancing together on Dancing with the Stars. Ugh. Hey, where's Lars? Dude, you scared me, Lars. Oh. Come on, let's stop playing around. Lars. Lars. Dude. I think Lars is dead.
Shut up, this guy's screen looking.
Screen looking? You're playing single player. I really think Lars is dead.
Shit, we gotta get rid of the body.
Come help me.
Oh.
See what happens when we get drunk?
Not again.
Alright, let's dispose this body. If anyone ever asks, it was a bad night of Monopoly. And